Hello family, so I just got this new site as you can see. Yeah, so there are two accounts. I would like you to subscribe and like, and also share, turn on the notifications button so when I drop awesome videos you are notified. Okay, so I just changed this to basic account, and you can see just in my dashboard $200 immediately, 200 USDT. Now I just got this, that's about just some minutes ago, and you can see. So now this is the user page when you log into it. Okay, so now I'm just checking out the page. You can see how the global partners are. You can see, so this is a legit site. As you can see, you have the exchange, the withdrawal, and the checklist. So you can either withdraw. So now I'm just going to try out the withdrawal button. Okay, so now you can see this is the user interface. Let's just go back to where we have the dashboard. I want to show you guys something. Okay, so now this is dashboard. Now you can see all the lists out here trading. Let's check out trading. You can see this is the file. Yep, so this is actually legit. I just signed up on this and I had $200, like straight up. I'd like you to smash the like button and turn on the notification and just subscribe to that. Okay, so now I just turned off the hotlines for help. Now that's WhatsApp that I just did. Okay, so I just sent them a message. Let's just go back. Okay, then it should load up. Okay, so now this is the user interface. Once you click the link is in the description below. So now what you're going to do is sign up. You're going to sign up for a free account. Okay, so you put in your phone number, then you put in a password, then you have to set a security password. I'm just going to type anything random here. Okay, but you are going to type in something that I don't forget. Then the invite code is in the description below. Okay, so it's going to put the invite code right there. Then you're going to hit the sign up button. Okay, say please enter your invite code. So the invite code is below, you have to take it from there. So now I'll just sign in, so I'll show you how this goes. Okay, so now this is the first thing you're going to see when you sign in. So I require you join up this telegram channel, the official channel, and the customer service. Now that customer service, either Telegram or the WhatsApp. You can click on details to see more. Okay, so now this is it. Now you have $2 per referral on this site. Anybody that signs up on that, you have $2. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and share. See you in my next video. Bye.